Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to show you a new update to Google Meet, and that is the new ways to share out the material that you are presenting to your audience quickly and easily from your Meet screen itself. Now, as you can see, I am currently sharing a tab, which is a slide deck presentation. If you look in the bottom right corner of that slide deck, you will see a new share icon. Now, if I haven't shared this out previously with my audience or anybody that is in this call, I can click on that icon. It will bring up the share box for me to submit what level of permission and to whom on the call I want it to give. Now, I can also do this for the entire audience if I want to. Another way that I can click and quickly add people to this slide deck is in the chat itself. So if you go into the chat in the bottom right, you will now see a link in the bottom right corner of our screen letting you know that you want to share this piece out with everybody. You click and it will bring up that same dialog box for you to select to whom you want to share this with. And then lastly, now when you put a link to a file, so I'll just paste it and send, before it sends it, it's going to pull up that same share permission box for you to submit who you want to give access to. So with that, 3 new ways that you can now share your materials out while you're presenting in Google Meet itself. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, this is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.